everybody. I'm here at waterfall. It's on the way to Canberra and Jervis Bay or Batsman's Bay. Just wanted to talk a little bit about what I'm doing and what's all about my business. So I joined this business watching complimentary webinar or information session, which is 90 minutes long, and it's free, so there is no obligation. What I'm saying is the business that I'm doing, you don't have to sell. Everything is done by the system. It is automated, so most hardest part and most of the job is done by the system. So what I do is just let others know that why you're doing this business, and do the law of attraction, and people of same-minded people who are really interested to do this kind of business, they will always contact you. They will always ask you what the business is about, and I don't have to go after my family or friends or people chasing after and begging them to join me. You just like be yourself. People naturally noticed you, and they will know what I'm doing, and eventually they come and ask me. So I don't have to be social media influencer or inspirational person. Just being yourself, and then do what you feel, do what you are doing. And this business is done by real people like me. It's a real business. You need to put effort, and so what you need to do is just watch the free webinar. Once you watch that, you will know whether this business is for you or not. I watched that, and I knew it's meant for me. It is for me. I can do it. So who knows, it might be even doable for you. It's very easy to get it. You don't need any skill or any technology expert or all this thing, because I also don't have anything, frankly saying. But the training is step by step with all the video oriented. It will really teach you from a scratch. So just let me know so that I can share you that free webinar link through your email. So I need your email and your name, good name, and you will know. So enough of the talk. Please enjoy the beautiful view here.